Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to explain hierarchical inheritance in Java. So before I'm going to explain how to implement hierarchical inheritance in Java, first of all we'll discuss what is hierarchical inheritance. So hierarchical inheritance is one of the inheritance in Java programming language. So where we have only one parent class, from that parent class we can derive many child classes. So many means you can create any number of childs to the same parent class. So all the child classes it will be siblings to one another. So in hierarchical inheritance we have to create an object for each and every child class. From that child class we are going to access the properties of both child as well as the parent class. So here is an example. So I will show you how to implement the hierarchical inheritance. So this is my parent class. My class name is values. So the theme of this program is, so here I am taking two values from my parent class. By using the two values I am going to perform a different operations in my different child classes. So now this values class is having two attributes of type integers x and y, and these two are the data members of my class values. So here it is a constructor. By using this constructor I am going to assign values for x and y. So this is x equals to x1 and y equals to y1. And after that I have one method display. By using this I am going to display x and y values which I assigned in my values class. And after that I have a child class addition which extends from values class. So here I am using constructor, and here you can observe that in this class I don't have any data members. I just take the values from my parent class. So because of that simply I'm using my super keyword. So when I'm using super keyword like this, so it will call the super class constructor. Right, so in that superclass constructor I assign values to my x and y. So the same values I'm going to take in this addition class. And after that I have one method add. So in this method I'm going to add the values which I am getting from my parent. So my x and y values is taken and I add the two numbers, and that can be displayed by using system.out.println. And then I have one more class multiply which also extends from the same class value, because I already said hierarchical inheritance is nothing but we have only one parent. From that parent we have a multiple children. So here in this example I just created only two classes, addition and multiply. You are interested then you can create more than these two classes. So here my second class name is multiply which is also extend from my class values. And here I'm using my constructor multiply. So I'm accepting the values from my parent class simply by using the super keyword. And in this multiply class I have a method mul. By using this mul method I'm performing the multiplication of two numbers which I'm getting from my parent class. And after that I have one more class which is said to be a main class higher. So from this class I'm created my main method, so public static void main, and then I'm created two objects because I have two childs, addition and multiply. So for these two childs I assign values. I'm created two objects like T1 and T2. So for T1 and T2 I'm going to assign two different values. So because of this my x and y values is going to assign with two different values when these particular method is called. See, when I assign a value to my constructor by using this T1 object, it will take values as 25 and 40. Then these two values are used and it is perform addition operation. And after that by this T2 object I'm assigned values are 52 and 6, and these values are again override by this x and y values. For doing multiplication it will use these two values, and here I'm using T2 dot display. So when I'm using like this, so it will display my x and y values which I'm going to assign with my T2 object. If I want to see display with T1, so simply I can call this display method by using this T1, so that we will find the values which I'm assigned to my T1 object. So T1 dot display is a method which will display the parent class display method. And then T2 dot display is also display the parent class display method, because I'm calling two ways, because I assign two different values to my objects T1 and T2. So now T1 dot add is going to perform the addition operation, and T2 dot mul is going to perform the multiplication operation. So I just execute this program. So now you can see my x and y values. When I'm calling with T1 dot display, it will show me my x and y values as 25 and 40, because these two values I assigned to my first object, and then these two values are used and it will perform the addition operation. So my answer is 65, and I'm using T2 object. Again I will assign another two values 52 and 6, and these two values are displayed by using the object T2. So T2 xy values is 52 and 6, and then these two values is going to used at the time of multiplication. So it will show like 52 multiplied with 6, it is given answer as 312. So this is a way we are going to implement the hierarchical inheritance in Java. Thank you.